Hello students. In today's class we are going to solve some of the MCQs of reproduction in organism chapter. So here first question is, which animal have developed capacity of regeneration? And the correct option is hydra and starfish, because plasmodium is going to reproduce by multiple fission, and we have earthworm. As earthworm is hermaphrodite, it is going to produce male and female gamete in its same body, so it will go for sexual reproduction. And another option we have spongilla, and this spongilla is going to reproduce asexual and sexual method both. So in spongilla, asexual reproduction is going to take place by fragmentation, and sexual reproduction is going to take place by gamete formation. So the correct answer for the first question is hydra and starfish. Let us go to the second question. Sporulation occur in. So sporulation is going to occur in plasmodium. Plasmodium is the right answer, because it's a kind of sexual reproduction we are going to find in plants, where genetic material is going to transferred into numerous minute spores. So in plasmodium we can find sporulation. So our third question is, which plant reproduce vegetatively by roots? So vegetative reproduction in plant with the help of root, and by root the plant is going to reproduce is dahlia. So in dahlia, vegetative reproduction is going to seen. It's a kind of asexual reproduction, whereas in bryophyllum it is going to take place by leaf buds, in oxalis with the help of stem, and in onion through the bulbs the reproduction is going to take place. So here correct answer is dahlia. So fourth question is, which plant performs vegetative reproduction with the help of floral buds? With the help of floral buds, and the answer here is agave. Agave, because about bryophyllum I already told you it is a leaf, whereas in ginger underground modified stem, that is rhizome, and in asparagus it is through root. So here correct answer is agave. So in the next question, which part of the plant bryophyllum performs vegetative reproduction? So here you can easily guess the answer, and that is buds on the leaf. So option D is the right answer for this question. In the next question, which type of chromosomes are always present in gametes? Gametes are the sex cells, so no doubt here answer is haploid. And in next question, which physiological process is necessary for birth, growth, death, production of offsprings, and for continuity of species? No doubt it is reproduction. And in which type of reproduction single parent is going to involved? And here also very easy, that is asexual reproduction. Let us move on to the next question. In which type of reproduction two individuals of opposite sex are essential? No doubt sexual reproduction. Then next question, in which type of organism asexual reproduction is seen? Asexual reproduction is seen in both unicellular and multicellular organisms. So option both A and C. Next is, how does amoeba is going to reproduce? Amoeba is going to reproduce by two methods. One is binary fission, and second is sporulation. So here again both A and C is the answer. So 12th question, what are ciliated spores? So ciliated spores are motile, so that is zoospores. Answer is zoospores. In the next question, non-flagellate spores are called conidia, of course. In which organisms are they seen? And conidia is a type of asexual reproductive structure in penicillium. So penicillium is the right answer. Let us move on to the next question. Which animals reproduce by exogenous budding? So here the word exogenous. Exogenous in the sense the buds which are going to produce on the external surface. They are called exogenous budding. and exogenous budding are going to produce in hydra. Hydra is the correct answer. And next question, which animal reproduce by multiple fission? And the animal which is going to produce by multiple fission is Plasmodium is the correct answer. And next question, in which method of asexual reproduction the division of cytoplasm is not seen? Cytoplasm is not going to divide, and that you can find in amitotic division. Division in which there is no mitosis. In mitosis only we are going to find cytokinesis. So cytoplasm is not going to divide in amitotic division. 17th one, during which process cyst is going to form? Cyst in the sense one kind of capsule. Cyst means a capsule. So during the which process cyst is going to form, and the correct answer is sporulation. During sporulation, around the organism, one protective capsule is going to form, and that capsule is it is called as cyst during unfavorable condition, that is in the process called sporulation. Next, in which method pseudopodiospores are formed? See, again here answer is sporulation. Pseudo means fall, pseudopodiospores. In amoeba you can find pseudopodia for the sake of movement. So during sporulation process, during unfavorable condition, the amoeba is going to retard all its pseudopodia. For the sake of surviving in unfavorable condition, the amoeba is going to retard all its pseudopodia. That process is called as pseudopodiospore. That is going to occur in sporulation. In the next question, in which organism other than amoeba sporulation is seen? Apart from amoeba, in Plasmodium we are going to see sporulation process. In which animal formation of exogenous budding? I already told you the formation of bud is going to take place on external surface, and that is hydra. Next, which special method of reproduction is found on Nephrolepis? Nephrolepis is a kind of fern, pteridophyte. So in Nephrolepis, it's a fern. The type of special reproduction we are going to find is through the help of stolons. So vegetative propagule is stolon, which helps in the vegetative reproduction of Nephrolepis. So these are the few questions we have discussed of this chapter. Please go through all these question answers and revise the chapters. That will be very helpful.